Hello and welcome to Website Speedy tutorial on how to fix LCP issues on Squarespace. Website Speedy is a DIY instant website speed optimization tool built to identify and optimize largest contentful paint or LCP issues and boost website core web vitals and performance without the need of a developer. Enter the URL and click on Improve My CWV Now button to create an account and fill in the sign-up form. Website Speedy comes up with 4 plans. You can choose one according to your website traffic. Here I am demonstrating you by selecting our forever free plan. Website Speedy checks the current core web vital score of your website using Google Page Speed Insights API. In the dashboard, you can see current core web vital score of your website. Add more websites. Check Help Center for instructions or book an appointment for any help required. Now let's install Website Speedy. Navigate to install Website Speedy in left sidebar. You can fix website LCP issues and boost speed just by following these simple steps. In the first step, to get started, you need to enter URLs of 3 important pages from your website. We will use these 3 pages for reporting purposes. You can use the button on the right to check current speed. We can do this later too, as explained in FAQ section. For now, we will proceed with fixing LCP issues right away. Click on Boost Speed Now button. I am also going to manually check the core web vitals without our tool first so we can match the update core web vital score with it afterwards. We will use Google Page Speed Insights for this. Let's get back to Speedy. Now here in step 2, we can see the speed enhancement script, which is generated specifically for your website. Add this script code before closing the head tag in your website header. You can see the instruction for this specific to your platform by clicking this button in middle 2. For now, click to copy. Go to Website Dashboard, navigate to Edit Website, click on SEOS Settings, scroll down to Head HTML tag, Edit Header, add Speedy script and save, and republish website. Once you add the script, click Verify, and to proceed to step 3, let's check the updated core web vital score of selected pages. And let's check the speed on Google Page Speed Insights. And here you can compare old and new speed by adding no speedy parameter in end of URL. That's it. You successfully use Speedy to fix LCP issues and enhance your website's core web vitals. In sidebar, you can click on Add Site to add your another website. I would recommend you go through the FAQs on the right to understand basic details about how our tool works and how you can check old speed your not speedy tag. That's all for now. You can find installation instructions for other platforms on our channel too. Remember, a faster website means a better user experience and potentially higher search engine rankings. Thank you for watching our tutorial. For more tips and guides, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for updates.